D&D Davison, liveweatherblogs.com, student meteorologist. We're starting to get closer to this nor'easter developing here. We have showers and thunderstorms breaking out in the Roanoke Valley at this time. It's about 11 p.m. We will pull up the radar for you here on GR Level 3 to show you this after we're done with this, the surface map for the next few days. See, we have the low off the North Carolina coast. It's going to try to bomb out. You can see we have that low there, a low in the Roanoke Valley, and also a low up near Erie. And you see how the low in Roanoke Valley transfers its energy to the coastline. This is going to cause the nor'easter type weather. That's going to start tomorrow. You also can see the storm front in Paula at this location, which will cause moisture on South Florida. You see it on Friday, 00 Zulu, about 8 p.m. coming up. On Thursday evening, which will be Friday, 00 Zulu, this low trying to crank out energy to New Jersey, Pennsylvania, New York City, and then go up towards Boston, where it really bombs out, and the winds will pick up, increase in a lot of locations. It'll increase in Roanoke, and it'll increase straight up through the northeast. And going into Saturday, this low will continue pumping the winds down over the northeast and the mid-Atlantic states, and it's classic looking nor'easter setup as it gets into the Gulf of Maine. And bombogenesis will occur sometime between tomorrow and Saturday. So where it bombs out, or bombogenesis, will be where it becomes most intense. We're going to expect beach erosion from the North Carolina area all the way straight up through the coastal parts of Canada. High waves, winds, inland, Roanoke, Philadelphia, those areas, inland. We're talking 15 to 30 with gusts to 40. And we're going to look at high winds 50 with gusts to 60 along the coastline when this thing really gets cranking. So it's going to be an extremely windy situation. The rain's going to be coming in at a horizontal rate. So get ready to be whipped around here. And it's 981 low, which is an extremely large low. And this is, like I said before, this is telling you this is getting close to the time for winter when you get these nor'easters starting. They usually start in October. So we got our first nor'easter coming up. You can see what Paula is down here. Paula's going to be weaker than this low. Let's put it that way. We also have the high pressure built in over Texas. Let's take a look at the GR level 3 for the Roanoke area. We're getting spotty thunderstorms developing here. We had a thunderstorm roll through our area here in Stewartsville, but showers and thunderstorms starting to keep going here towards Bed Mountain. They'll move to the northeast, and everything will move to the north a little bit with this low, and showers and thunderstorms will increase over the area in intensity and in range in the next 10 hours or so, to a heavy rain, possible thunderstorms throughout the whole entire time. National Hurricane Center, you can see where we have Hurricane Paula. The only thing out there that tends to be watched. Let's click on Paula. It's at 80 mile an hour wind, so it has weakened. Takes a projected path, which will bring it now over Cuba. We have tropical storm watches along the Keys, but it looks like the Keys will be missed at the time. We might get some heavy rain, some gusty winds, but nothing that we can't deal with. And it's going to go over the mountains. So Cuba may have an issue with flooding over the next 24 hours to 36 hours through Friday, Saturday time, and should dissipate, believe it or not, by Saturday at that point. Also, let's talk about tomorrow, Thursday. We're talking about now the probability of severe weather, tornadic activity, high winds, the main threat. Based on the bombogenesis of the storm, there will be enough moisture and enough spin in the atmosphere to possibly cause some isolated tornadoes, and that would be anywhere from southern tips of New Jersey straight down to North Carolina. And the best chance at this point seems to be in eastern Virginia area up through Delaware. But we'll keep an eye on it and we'll keep you updated here at liveweatherblogs.com. So Davison risk factor actually occurs 20% for tornadoes and 70% for wind, because we're going to definitely be getting wind no matter what happens. We have some isolated possibilities of severe weather even further back towards Roanoke, towards Philadelphia. Some pop-up storms that may go severe. So definitely got to watch it here when you have a nor'easter in this time of the year. So taking a look at the Roanoke Valley forecast, increasing heavy rain this evening as the low cranks itself up. Straight overnight through Thursday, heavy rain, winds increasing, Winds west at 15 to 25 miles an hour, gusting over 30. Thursday night, 45 degrees, mostly clear. It clears out 64 on Friday, and we do have wind on Friday. Maybe not as strong as it was coming in Thursday. Friday night, 44, partly cloudy, 65 Saturday, beautiful day. A little chilly, but a beautiful fall day. Go look at the leaves, they still are on the trees. Sunday, 72 and sunny. So the weekend looks beautiful here in the Roanoke Valley, and the Triad now. Weather not as bad here in the Triad. 58 showers likely 69 on Thursday. Winds are going to be a little lighter, 10, 15 miles an hour, gusts 25 in the Triad region. I would be surprised if it gets a little bit stronger, but not as strong as it's going to be in Roanoke area north. 46 degrees, mostly clear on Thursday night. Friday, mostly sunny and 68. 69 on Saturday, and 73 sunny on Sunday. Beautiful weekend setting up here after this nor'easter and wind-driven rain comes through the area on Thursday. And if you're in the Northeast, you're going to get it even worse than we're getting it down here in the Mid-Atlantic and Upper Southeast. So, for liveweatherblogs.com, this is student meteorologist Dean Davison. We'll update you as information comes along on this nor'easter. Have a great night.